Education is a good one to give a person. Ask someone to come up with a word that has all 5 vowels in it. Education is one of those words. So, now, education is not the shortest English word that has all 5 vowels. See if you can figure out the shortest English word that has all 5 vowels in it is only 7 letters long. Okay, there's your first puzzle. Now you won't be able to listen to any of the lesson, but that's okay. You don't listen anyway, so. No, just kidding. A puzzle designer decides to scramble the letters of the word education to create a jumble puzzle. How many 9-letter permutations can there be? Now, all of our permutation questions are going to be fundamental counting questions. We have decisions that need to be made. How many decisions when we jumble the letters up? We have 9 decisions to make. How many choices do you have for your first letter? 9. Any of those 9 letters could be first. But then once you've used up one of the letters, how many choices are for the next letter? 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Or we just get 9 factorial. Well, unless they have a really easy puzzle where they scramble the letters and you're like, here, see if you can figure this one out. It's education. You're like, is it education? Oh, you got it. Or, yeah. But if you wanted to make sure it was different, you'd have to subtract 1. But for this, when it says how many 9-letter permutations of education are there that would include education, so your answer would be 9 factorial, which is a big number. Whoops. $362,880. Did you figure out the puzzle? Anybody know the shortest word that has, you want a hint? It's a name of a tree, so it's a little bit hard. So if you don't know your tree types, like if you don't know, if you just go, oh, that's a tree, and that's what your vocabulary for tree, then you're not going to get this. But if you know some tree names, like, oh, that's a pine tree, or that's a maple tree, maybe you've heard of this tree before. Ooh, this would be like excitement. Continue watching the next video to see more hints and clues.